Welcome back to Langmitra. Ezra, last time we conquered the 7 representative sounds of Batchim. How are you feeling about final consonants now?
Honestly, pretty good. I can read words like pop and sun without hesitating. But I've been seeing some words that have like 2 consonants stacked at the bottom. What's going on there?
Ah, you've discovered gyop Batchim. That's gyop Batchim, which literally means double Batchim. And you're right. Instead of 1 consonant at the bottom of a syllable, you get 2 sitting there together. 2 consonants? But we only pronounce 1 final sound, right? So which one wins? Exactly the right question. There are 11 double Batchim combinations in Korean. And yes, when a syllable ends and the next one starts with a consonant, or when it's at the end of a word, only 1 of those 2 consonants gets pronounced. Okay, so what are all 11? Should I be scared? Don't be scared. Let me list them. Ks, j, n, gl, lum, lub, lis, lit, lip, l, and ps. Now here's the beautiful part. There's a simple rule that covers most of them.
I'm ready. Hit me with it.
The general rule is pronounce the left consonant. So for most double Batchim, the first consonant, the one on the left, is the one you actually say.
Wait, that's it? Just pick the left one?
For most cases, yes. Let's practice. Take the word sam, meaning life. You see ril and m at the bottom, right? That's lum. Following our rule, which one do we pronounce?
The left one, so ril?
It would sound like sal. Perfect. Sam is pronounced sam. Wait, actually, I need to correct myself here. This is one of our exceptions. For lum, we actually pronounce the right consonant, the m. So sam sounds like some. Oh no, there are exceptions. I knew it was too good to be true. Don't worry, there are only a few exceptions to memorize. Let me give you the complete picture. For most double Batchim, like ks, j, lub, lis, lit, and ps, you pronounce the left consonant. But for 3 specific combinations, you pronounce the right consonant instead.
Okay, which 3 do I need to watch out for?
The exceptions are ril, lum, and rup. For these 3, pronounce the right consonant. Let me give you examples. Ilta means to read. It has ril at the bottom, ril and g. Since ril is an exception, we pronounce the right one, g. So ilta sounds like ikta.
Ikta, so the ril just disappears?
Exactly. Now try jumpta, meaning to be young. It has ril and m.
Rilm is an exception, so right consonant, m. Would it be jumpta?
Close. It's jumpta with the tensification we learned before. You're getting it.
This is actually manageable. So let me make sure I have this straight. Most double Batchim pronounce left, but ril, lum, rup pronounce right.
You've got it. Now let's practice some common words. How about dak, meaning chicken? It has ril.
Ril is an exception. Right side wins. So dak?
Perfect. Dak sounds like dak. Now try opta, meaning to not exist or to not have. It has ps, b, and s.
Ps is not one of the 3 exceptions. So left side, b. Would it be opta?
Excellent. You're really getting the hang of this. Let's do a few more. Nopta, meaning to be wide. It has ril and b.
Ril follows the regular rule, so left side, ril. Nopta?
Exactly right. Now here's a tricky one. Ilko, meaning read and or reading. Same root as ilkta.
Ilk has ril, which is an exception, so right side. But wait, the next syllable starts with g. Does that change anything?
Great observation. When the next syllable starts with a vowel, both consonants can potentially link over. But when it starts with a consonant like here, we still follow our rules. So ilko becomes ilko. The g from ril combines with the following g to make the tense g sound.
Oh, wow. So the rules interact with what we learned about sound changes.
Exactly. Korean pronunciation is all connected. Now, let me give you a memory trick for the exceptions. Think of the phrase read young grapes. Ilkta for read, jumpta for young, and ilkta for recite, which uses rup. These represent ril, lum, and rup. Read young grapes. Okay, that's weird enough that I'll remember it. That's the point. Now, what if you encounter a new word with double Batchim that you've never seen before?
I check if it's one of the three exceptions first, and if not, go with the left consonant.
Perfect strategy. Let's test it. Here's a word you probably haven't seen. Saks, meaning wages or pay. It has ks, g, and s.
Ks isn't one of the three exceptions, so left side, g. It would sound like sak.
Brilliant. You just correctly pronounced a word you'd never seen before. That's the power of understanding these rules.
This is so satisfying. I feel like I've unlocked a secret code.
You really have. Let's do a quick rapid fire round. I'll say the word, you tell me the pronunciation. Cups, meaning price. It has ps.
Left side, b, cup.
Anta, meaning to sit. It has nj.
Left side, n, anta.
Ilta, meaning to lose. It has rel h, which is r.
Not an exception, so left side, ril, ilta.
Close, it's itta. The h affects the following d, but you got the main principle right.
There's always another layer, isn't there?
There is, but you're building a solid foundation. The more you practice, the more natural these patterns become. And here's the encouraging news. Once you master these 11 combinations, you can read any Korean word. There's nothing left that can surprise you.
That's actually really motivating. I'm going to practice these tonight.
That's the spirit. And remember, if you're learning with friends or family through Langmitra, quiz each other on these double Batchim words. It makes the practice so much more fun.
Good idea. I'll challenge my study buddy to a pronunciation battle.
Love it. In our next lesson, we're going to explore what happens when Batchim meets the next syllable, sound linking, and how final consonants flow into vowel-starting syllables. It's going to make your Korean sound so much more natural and connected.
Can't wait. Thanks for making double Batchim feel totally manageable, Jenny.
You did the hard work. Keep practicing, trust the rules, and remember, every lesson brings you closer to fluency. See you next time on Langmitra.
See you next time.
Before we recap, one quick ask. What worked for you in this lesson? What felt hard? And what topic should we teach next? Drop it in the comments. Your feedback shapes what we build next.
One language sets you in a corridor for life. Learn language with podcast. Subscribe.